Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Chrome no sound problem. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Then click on three dot top right side corner. Click on settings. Click on privacy and security. Little bit scroll down here. Then click on site settings. Here also little bit scroll down. Click on additional content settings. Click on sounds. Here you can see here site can play sound. Don't allow sites to play sound. If you select don't allow site to play sound, you should select sites can play sound, not allowed play sound. If you add here any website, then click on three dots. Click on remove. Click on remove. That's it guys. So in this way we fix no sound problem in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.